Staying ahead of rental market trends is one of the most important ways that you can protect your property investment as a landlord. A mistake we see all too often is property owners setting the rental rate based on their mortgage payment. However, today I'm going to walk you through why that is not wise and why, unfortunately, tenants don't care. From a tenant's perspective, they do not care what your break-even number is because of your mortgage or your interest payment. And here's why. Tenants are looking for properties that are priced appropriately compared to market conditions. They're also looking for properties that are clean and well-maintained, and also responsive landlords. When the rent is set too high to cover your expenses, you're missing out on valuable time and money due to the vacant property. For example, if your mortgage payment was $2,000 and the rental rate that is being suggested is $1,800, there's a difference of $200. If you were to rent the property at $1,800, you're looking at a loss of $2,400 for an entire 12 months. However, if you were to hold strong at that $2,000 mark, let's say it sits vacant for 2 months, you're now at a loss of $4,000. By adjusting the price to meet market conditions, you're actually saving way more money in the long run than if you were holding out for your perfect break-even number. The takeaway is clear. Your mortgage is your responsibility, and the tenants only care about factors that directly affect them. So remember, make sure to price your property effectively, have strong communication, and also keep the property well maintained. Doing this will decrease vacancies, attract higher quality tenants, and protect your investment in the long run.